Because you deserve what every individual is. Because you deserve what every individual should. Because you should deserve what every other individual should. Experience regularly. Because you deserve what every individual
Hold on,
should
we're trying to figure out
experience
Budweiser.
regularly.
Check this out. What is it?
I got it.
Listen, hold on.
Check it out. Shut up.
Hold on, listen.
Because you deserve what every individual deserved. Oh wait, hold on.
Should every experience.
Because you deserve what everyone is. So
Should.
Every individual experience.
But you
Because
deserve what every individual
because you deserve what every individual should experience regularly.
Hey, yeah, baby!
Woo! We got it! Budweiser! Drink it up! Come on, crack it on your head.
Huh?
That's a goddamn treat right there.
We just fucking figured out the Budweiser thing, what it stands for.
I got it, watch. Because you should deserve what everyone is
experience regularly.
Because you deserve what everyone
dude, we got it, dude.
Experience.
What's up?
Wait.
Yeah.
Because you deserve what everyone is. Because you deserve what every individual should experience regularly.
Well, they're robbing the dirt bike restaurant now.
Of course, Braden Michael Bone. You see that? We tatted up motherfucking stand-ups on them. Right. I got the sleeves. Watch out. This way, turn around. Right here, tatted up like a motherfucker. Show that Texas made. What are these?
Hold on.
Celluloclorazepine. Flexeril. Who has muscle relaxer?
What? Now I gotta show you this. Look.
Oh no.
You like that?
Get it?
Look at this.
Video camera?
Get a shot of this.
Check that out. I've been working on it for a couple of years. It's fucking called Kegger. Love it. Every day.
It's just how we roll.
Fuck. Frank Bone, Solid fucking Anderson, Hound. Budweiser, you know what it stands for?
Hey dude, hey, we're so close to each other. I can
What's it stand for?
Let me see that.
What's it stand for?
It stands for because you deserve what every individual should experience regularly. Let me say that.
Get that. Get that. Yeah. You know what?
I love that nipple. That nipple.
You know what?
That nipple again.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Alright.
No more gay shit.
I'm done with the gay shit. I'm done with the gay shit.
Okay. You had his baby Braden. He had
Right
a couple days ago. Look, 427.
Stay like that. Let me zoom in on it.
Fuck yeah. I'm fucking Uncle Solly to that motherfucker. Anytime he needs some help with it, I'm there.
Got this
We on camera.
Oh my god, damn it, I got it too.
Was it a forest? They call me the Amazon. Hey, I gotta pee, bro. Gotta lift this plate up.
No.
Yeah, I think you did good, Frank, on the